Have you ever failed so badly that you just wanted to disappear? Meet Peter. Isa si Peter sa mga pinaka-close na disciple kay Jesus. Siya rin yung nagsabi na, Lord, kahit iwan ka ng lahat, hindi kita iiwan. But only a few hours later, 3 times niyang sinabing, hindi ko siya kilala. He denied Jesus in front of persecutors. And nang tumilaok na ang manok, Peter realized what he had done. And ang sabi sa atin ng Bible, he went away and wept bitterly. And after resurrection, when Jesus rose again, Peter quietly went back sa pagiging mangingisda. Pero what if God is showing us something deeper? There's a psychological pattern after a painful failure where people naturally retreat to their comfort zone to escape. It's because shame quietly tells them, maybe you're not the person you thought you were. Shame doesn't just make us feel bad, it makes us want to hide. But here's what I love about Jesus. Jesus didn't wait for Peter to find his way back. Jesus went looking for Peter. He met him by the shore, shared a meal with him, and gently invited him back to his calling without ever mentioning the past. Peter's failure wasn't the end of his story. Jesus' grace was. So maybe you've been hiding because of something you have done or haven't done. Maybe you think you've gone too far. But Peter's story reminds us that our failures are not the end of the story. The final say belongs to Jesus, and His grace is sufficient for us. Remember, psychology is our lens, the scripture is our truth, and Jesus is our hope.